Okay, so what we're going to do next is style this view book page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file, call it viewbook.scss. And in our main, we're going to import that. Import viewbook. Yep. Let's see. Let's take a look at our view book. We have a view book wrapper, a book title, and a book author, right? And then we have this H1 up here. So, cool. Sorry, I was thinking. We're gonna grab add book wrapper, give it a width of 100 view width, and text align to center. So that is going to, yeah. We're gonna grab that H1 tag, which is that book information, give it the font family of our title, and a font size of 3 rem. Add book wrapper, what's wrong with me? We want view book wrapper. There we go. Now it's working. Okay, moving on now that we finally have our styles going, we're gonna grab the book title class, give it the font family of our title. You can see that that's gotten bigger. I'll move it over so you can see it better. Give it font size of 2 rem, and then a padding of 10 pixels. Whoops. Pixels. Okay, let's grab our author. Book author. Ah. Okay, book author. We're gonna give it the font family of, we're gonna give this one the text one. And then font size will be 1.5 rem. And padding will be 10 pixels. There we go. Coming down, let's grab this delete link. So the A tag, text, decoration of none. Making sure that's working. It's working. Font family of our text. Color will be our navy color. Okay, and padding of 10 pixels. And then a transition of 0.5 seconds. And then we'll just do the hover very quickly. Oh, that's inside. That will be inside of our A tag. And hover, text decoration, underline, and gray. The color of gray. See if that works. And it's working. Cool. Let's style this update book stuff. Let's create a new file with update book.scss, and we'll import it. Import update book. Cool. Let's go in, take a look. We have an update book wrapper, a button that we need to, let's see, update book wrapper. We need to style this button here, and the form with our label and our input for both of these, and then this last button down here. So going into our update book, we're going to grab that update book wrapper class, give it a padding of 10 pixels. Grab the button, a padding of 10 pixels. Font family will be that title, yeah, title. And then still inside the update book wrapper, we're going to grab our form, and then grab the label inside of there. I don't know why I want to spell label wrong every time. Font family of text. Under that, grab the input, the padding of 10 pixels, width 20%, and then text align center. Let's see what that did. Okay, yeah, so now our text is going to be inside the center of our input box. We have our title with our font family, and our button is looking pretty good as well. Okay, it's still not looking quite like I want, so let's come into this form here. Let's give it a padding of, let's say 40 pixels. Okay, that's given that. Let's do a display of flex. All right, and a flex direction of column. So I still want a little bit of space in between these. So in the label, we'll give it a padding of 20 pixels. And I'll give, let's see, I gave that a little bit. So, oh, okay. So we have this update title and update author class. Let's grab those. Update title. And I'm also going to say update author. And in there, we're going to give it a display flex with a flex direction of column. All right. And I'll move it. I think it's a line items. Or there we go. That's what I was looking for. And we'll give it, let's see. A button. A padding. Top. Try 20 pixels and see what that gets us. Well, that's not quite what I wanted. Let's put it over here. Padding, bottom. Oops. There we go. I like that. So there is our update. Let's now go into our ad book. Oh, that was not our ad book. Okay, go into your ad book. Mine has stopped working for some reason. There we go. Okay, let's create an ad book file and add it into our main. All right. Inside of our ad book, let's see, we have our wrapper, which has everything in it, our H1, our HR, our form, and then our button, which is in our form. Okay, ad book wrapper. For the text, align center. We're going to grab that HR tag. And I think it's probably the same. Let's go into our app and see. Yeah, I think I'm going to use the same because I want it to do exactly the same thing. So ad book, there's our HR. We'll give it a nice shadow there. Grab our H1 tag, give it a padding of 50 pixels. Font family of our title. Color of the black. And then we're going to come down here to our form, grab the form. And in there, we're going to have the padding of 40 pixels. Display will be flex, and then we'll have a flex direction of column. Inside our form, grab our label, and give it the font family of the text. The display of grid. And then grab our input. Padding. Oh, that one's wrong. All right, padding is 10 pixels. Yeah. And then grab, let's see, the div. I don't think we gave it a name. I think it was just div Padding of 20 pixels. There we go. That's what I want. All right. The last thing we have is the delete landing. I'm not going to delete a book to style this. Was that right? I don't think that was. It was delete book. Oh. There you are. There it is. Okay, so this should be pretty straightforward and simple. So let's add a new file, call it delete book. Oh. Book.css. In our main, at that bottom. Okay. Inside of our delete book, let's see, our delete landing, we have the delete book wrapper, we have this link tag, and we're going to, so we'll style the title and then the link. So let's say the delete book wrapper with, we're going to say text align center font family of our title, adding with 50 pixels. We have an A tag that we're grabbing with the font family of our text. Text decoration, none. Color, that gray color that we like. And one more, oops. We want our transition to be 0.5 seconds. And cover text decoration will be underlined with that gray color. And then the color will be gray. All right, and it looks like that's all working wonderfully. Awesome, so that is our styled project. You have full CRUD functionality, and it looks good too. So thanks for joining me today.